In 2023, SQFMI released the beepy. This is a dev board which converts a Raspberry Pi Zero into a pocket computer. It has a battery, small screen, keyboard, and trackpad. It is open hardware, and the schematic and PCB layout are available on GitHub. I thought it would be useful for creative programming. It is portable, so you can take electronics projects off the bench and into the field. It has exposed GPIOs, so you can easily connect your own peripherals. My goal was to get it to run a simple graphical environment written in Python, just enough for basic controls and instrumentation, so I could prototype things. Snakeware is a Python-based userland. They built a userland entirely in Pygame. It was designed for desktop computers, but I saw an opportunity to port it to the beepy. First, I built an SDK for the beepy hardware. It contains drivers and libraries, which allow Pygame to run on the beepy's memory LCD. Next, I miniaturized snakeware to run on the black and white memory LCD. Snakeware handles multitasking, UI widgets, the event system, and other window manager tasks, all in Pygame. Glowfire is self-hosting. When you run make glowfire.py, it builds its own SDK on the beepy itself. This is a toolchain which consists of all drivers and libraries that developers need to use Pygame on the beepy. The process takes about 2 hours, and when complete, it reboots into the GUI. Currently, Pygame renders directly to the frame buffer. We do not use X, Wayland, OpenGL, or the GPU. It is all software rendering. Once booted, the GUI contains example applications which demonstrate windows, buttons, interface controls, image handling, text handling, localization, games, animations, audio, control of the beepy firmware, and other functions. They are a starting point for developing your own apps. Everything is written in Python, so the GUI runs fine on desktop as long as you have all dependencies. Glowfire is available on GitHub. Thanks for watching.